Question 5 of this exercise says, what should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20? So let us assume that the term we are taking away is a question mark. Then we just have to transpose the terms. We have to transpose the question mark to the right side, and we have to transpose this entire expression towards the left side. Now let's have a look what will happen. So when we transpose that entire terms to the left side, it will become 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20, and that will become plus x square plus y square minus 6xy and minus 20, that equals to the term question mark. Now we just have to solve the like terms. We just have to add and subtract the like terms. So when we will add the like terms, 3x square plus x square will give us 4x square, and minus 4y square and plus y square will give us minus 3y square, and plus 5xy minus 6xy will give us minus xy, and plus 20 and minus 20 will be 0. So this is the term which we will subtract. This is the expression which we will subtract, 4x square minus 3y square minus xy from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. Then we will get minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.